study of blood, hematology, study of liver, hepatology, study of kidney, nephrology, study of cancer, oncology, study of universe, cosmology, study of fruits, pomology, study of birds, ornithology, study of bones, osteology, study of eggs, ology, study of dreams, oneirology, study of hairs, trichology, study of eye, ophthalmology, study of fungi, mycology, study of virus, virology.